Well, hey, hello, folks. Tim Thomas here at the Work and Home Center. Great things are happening, and I tell you what, we are moving forward and upward. 2024 is going to be absolutely epic. It's going to be incredible, and we're going to show you how to do it and how we're doing it. And you partner alongside of us, and we're going an incredible journey together. Let me get into this video about the sidehustleincome.net, and we'll talk about it all on the other side. Hey folks, Tim Thomas, turn your speakers up. Got a good one for you today. I want to welcome a new member to the team. We just had yet another sign up coming to Side Hustle. Side Hustle Income, folks, it's going to be an incredible opportunity for 2024 and beyond. We're going to build this thing out, and it's possible to go over 10K per month in this program. If you can mail a postcard, can you pass out a postcard, tell somebody about a program, share the opportunity, and it can pay you over and over again. We'll talk about the pay plan and how this thing works. But before we get started, folks, income disclaimer, we're going to talk about some numbers of what we feel that you can achieve in any of these programs. It's possible. The sky is the limit, right? And work at home has never been this good. It's only going to get better. And I want you to really embrace what I'm going to say. Listen, look at it a couple times over. And know how important it is to me to share this information. If you got a dream and a vision and a purpose, a disposition, money will flow from the north, east, south, and west, and will meet you in the middle. I'm telling you what, more than you'll have time to spend in the day, if you know what I mean. I tell you what, it's exciting. Before we get in this video, I know that I want to welcome a lot of you that have joined me in several programs over the last day or two, last week or two, last month or two. And all of them are ripping to the upside. If it's on the YouTube channel, people always ask me, well, Tim, is this program still working good? Is that program if it's on this YouTube channel, folks, it's working. Anything that's not working, I'll take it down. I don't care if I haven't done a video on it in a month or 2 months. People ask me all the time about the Millionaire Mailer. Folks, we have been in that thing for 9 years. And we're still receiving payments on it 9 years later, and it's still taking up money for us. And that's why I don't even talk about it often, because it's just running in the background, and we're excited about it. The supplement grid, we had to do a restructuring of it, and it's still running. It's just amazing. Folks, look at this thing here. I made this as my channel trailer. Of course, that's the Supreme Profit System. That you can see that postcard. That thing, folks, people have joined. This is where I received an $11,000 payment in one sign up. Folks, this is what's possible in any of these programs. And let me tell you what the strategy is. If you're looking at it, the strategy is to have more than 1 or 2 programs, maybe 3 going for you. And if you get good, you can do more than that. But I recommend a big ticket opportunity, a residual program, and something there in the middle, so that when you market, you have a combination of things to offer. And you can't, I understand people can't join everything at once, but you get started somewhere. Some of the easiest programs I got, these flyer programs, that $1,000 a week solution flyer, this thing is just on a tear to the upside. The 200 cash daily, all discussed in this video right here, is on a rip to the upside. The 200 cash express, it's going. And I'm telling you, we can win big, in these programs, and they're simple. Just fold a flyer and mail and mail and mail. We've got the mailing list, where you can get stamps from, and we've got it all figured out. All you do is plug in and go. And that is exciting. Got a crypto program, that affiliate advertising program. That thing's working. It's a rocket ship to the upside. We're going to build that thing out, and we're just excited about what we've got going on. Even this postcard here, folks, the Easy Money postcard system. I'll talk about it in another video. The Easy Money postcard system, this software that I'm using, guys. When I got my background, it doesn't show as much, but yeah, these programs just on the tear. And 24, folks, you can plug in. If you're on a job, folks, working for money, I tell people, don't quit your job now. But what you need to do is get yourself in a position where you can allow money to work for you. And that is incredible to me as possible. Well, I just want to talk about, again, the not supplement grid, but the side hustle. Side hustle income.net. Just got another email from Don over there at Mountain Marketing. Look at this. Want to welcome Steve Walker from Florida. Just joined the program. Welcome, Steve, to the program if you're watching the video. And Donna email you, the owner of the program. She'll email you and she'll let you know. She'll let you know every time you're going to sign up. That's just a courtesy of the program. And we're getting these emails, folks, on a consistent basis, almost every other day, sometimes days in a row. So we're excited about that. Just got another sign up in the Side Hustle Income. Let's talk about it. Side Hustle Income, my sponsor, Jose Green, the man, the myth, the legend. Big shout out to Jose Green. He teaches us that we need to have a residual program and or programs. And what I want to do is have maybe 2 to 3 strong residual income programs where, there's a credit card rebuild or there's a rebuild. You do the work once and it will pay you forever. Are you picking up what I'm putting down? You want to be in some programs that is going to allow rebuilds. And then that means you get paid month after month after month. Folks, we can build this thing out. Greg, our team leader, put 5,000. We can make 10,000 plus easy in this program. It just stick and stay. You get in it, and I don't mail 100 postcards and then tell, well, Tim, my dreams didn't come true. Folks, you get out there and you do it over and over and over and over again. That's how you make money and you live on your jobs. I have worked at corporate America for years. I started when I was 16 years old at a department store and worked until I was in my, early 40s. Right now, well, I'm in the middle 40s. But great things are happening. And I'm telling you, if you plug into systems, these things will work for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. You'll wake up, signups come in the morning, signups come in the evening. If you will put it to action. Does it happen the first day? No. But when you put effort into it, folks, the sky can be the limit. Again, as an income disclaimer, nothing happens till you take action. You do it over and over and over again. But this program, I'm telling you, I'm excited about it. It's $150 to join, and you get paid $75 per month, first level commissions for everybody you personally recruit. And on the second level, you get $25 for every person that they recruit. Folks, we're going to look at the pay plan. We're going to look at the pay plan on how you can win based on your efforts and the massive leverage. Don't get me wrong. The massive leverage that's built into this program is incredible. And again, like I said, go back to our flyer programs. Like I was talking about the 1K solution. That thing has leverage. I love leverage. You recruit a couple people, get a couple people in the programs, and then you got a team, a force working for you. And there's no selling, no telling, no explaining. Our team leader, Greg, has designed us a flyer, a one-page flyer that our team is using. You get access to it. I'll show you how to get hold of that thing. Don provides, the owner of the program provides a beautiful postcard. Again, the postcard, all this stuff will do the selling, telling, explaining for you so you never have to. So I am stoked about the opportunity that we have here before us and what we got our hands on. Well, we're going to watch the video in just a minute. And after we watch the video, I'm going to take you over to the Side Hustle. If you want to join as a member, walk you through that real quick. It'll take you to a site that looks like this. You're going to create a subscription plan. You're going to click here to create your subscription plan. Of course, folks, you can read all this. And then you're going to put your name, your address, all this stuff, sponsor ID, and you're going to hit submit. And then you can come down here. Here's the Side Hustle postcard that is available. You can order that Side Hustle postcard. It is amazing. It is working. It's pulling, and it is converting. And we're very excited about the Side Hustle Income .com postcard, and it's working. It's a glossy postcard, and it is resonating with people. People are enjoying it, and we're very excited about the Side Hustle Income postcard. All right, let me show you also, and then also you can get the leads and everything that you might need. You can get the postage stamps. It's a turnkey solution over here. that you can get once you become a member of the club. You get the mail leads, you can get postcards, ID stickers, questions and answers. We'll go through that in another video. If you have any questions, you can call the company directly. Also, the company will put your phone number on the flyer, or you don't have to have your number on the flyer. It's totally up to you. You will not miss oneself. If a person that wants to join has a question, they can always call the company and get all their questions answered and make an informed decision. Folks, this is exciting times ahead. We're moving forward. We're gonna forget about recession and all that other nonsense that folks have to wrestle and struggle with. Folks, create yourself $5,000, $10,000 per month income in one program. Just one. One can be life changing. And then when you get good at it, jump into some of these other programs and go from there. Like I said, a lot of people that I meet are coming in to 1, 2, 3 of these programs all at one time. You do what you are capable of doing. And the sky can be the limit. Are you picking up what I'm putting down? Let me go quickly to the video, and I'll get off of the video. But this is incredible information. If you can mail a flyer and or a postcard, if you can do it, if you can't do it, guys and gals, it's but if you can, you can easily build yourself a $5,000 or more per month from home income. Watch the presentation, and we'll go from there. Oh, before I go to the presentation, because I want to end that with the video, once you become a member and you join our team, here you go. You join our team. If you want to get the flyer that our team leader has provided for us, you can order them right off the site, right here. Beautiful, high converting flyer that you can mail. Watch the 4-minute presentation. You get your customized flyer, your name, your ID number, your phone number, and you can get to rolling. Your one-page side hustle sales letter printed with color and shipped to the comfort of your home. So there we go. Side hustle income. You customize your sales letter. Folks, and look at that thing. It explains the program, does all the selling, telling, explaining for you, so you never have to. You can put your name here, your phone number, your member ID, and all that. Once you get ready to sign up, there's an order form right here. Type your name, ID, save it on your computer, send it over to Greg as a PDF, and you're off to the races. If you have any questions about doing that, I can help do that. It's very self-explanatory, very user-friendly, and it's just that simple. Let's watch the video, and just give me about 3 minutes, guys, gals, and I'll be off the video. But this is important. Your financial freedom in 24, 25, and beyond depends on it, and that's exciting. We're breaking the chains of poverty. You want to create the income. If you want to go to the beach and stay a week, you can do it. You want to go to the mountains and stay a couple of weeks, you can do it. You want to travel to another state, you can live life on your terms, not based on having somebody telling you when you can take vacation, when you can't take vacation, when you can take a day off. Folks, this is exciting times to become an entrepreneur and work for yourself. When you get good at it, you can do it full time from home. Let's go to the video.
Let's face it, unemployment is a constant threat.
Hang on tight. Let me, I'm going to turn my speakers up. Let me go to sound. I want to turn this thing up so you can hear it. Let me go to my sound bar, turn this thing up, click. Okay, here we go.
Tire industry is downsizing. Let me ask you a question. If you lost your job tomorrow and couldn't find work, say, for 8 weeks, would you have enough money saved to survive? Yes or no? If the answer is no, then you need a plan B, and you need to start building your own stream of monthly income now. We can show you how. Let me introduce you to our company called SideHustleIncome.net. Over the next few minutes, you're about to learn how you could easily earn $1,000, $3,000, even $5,000 per month or more in commissions from the comfort of your home. The cost to join as a SideHustleIncome.net member is just $150 to start, and then $150 per month subscription, which will get you 150 mailing leads on peel and stick labels, 150 company postcards, 150 personalized.
Hey guys, look at the product package. The product package is what you're getting, what you're paying for on a monthly basis. You're going to get this every single month, month in, month out. This is exciting times ahead. I could not be more excited. You know, like that old saying, you know, like a kid in a candy store. Well, hey, folks, I'm excited about Side Hustle.
ID stickers, a copy of the SideHustleIncome.net monthly newsletter, and a master copy of your personalized marketing flyer. Now, let's talk about money. SideHustleIncome.net has an unlimited width and only 2 levels deep compensation pay structure. Each new member that you personally enroll earns you a commission of $75 per month, and each member that your personal enrolls earns you an additional commission of $25 per month. Yes, you heard correctly. These commissions are paid monthly. Take a look at the illustration pay chart of the SideHustleIncome.net. This pay chart represents only 10 SideHustleIncome.net members purchasing just $150 monthly in products, and then each of those 10 members personally enrolling just 10 new SideHustleIncome.net members to do the same down just 2 levels deep. As you can see from the pay chart, a total of just 110 members pays a total monthly income of $3,250 per month. Let me ask you a question. What would an extra $3,250 per month income pay for? How about the monthly payments on a brand new car or truck? Or how about paying the monthly mortgage payments on that dream home that you have always wanted? Or maybe use the extra cash per month to pay off the balance of those high credit card debts. Now imagine how much more you could have earned if you had personally enrolled 15, 20, or even 50 new SideHustleIncome.net members into the business, and they each do the same. As a SideHustleIncome.net member, the possibilities are unlimited of how you can earn each month. Are you now starting to see how powerful and financially rewarding the SideHustleIncome.net business opportunity is? So if you are unhappy with your present financial situation and are looking for more, then consider SideHustleIncome.net business opportunity. We believe there is no other business opportunity that can offer as much potential for wealth, personal growth, security, and freedom of time with so little risk. Get back with the person who has introduced you to this business opportunity and get signed up as a SideHustleIncome.net member today. You have been given the business opportunity that could financially change your life and the life of your family for the good. But only you must decide right now whether or not to take advantage of it.
Okay, team. That's the video for today. SideHustleIncome.com, SideHustleIncome.net. Get signed up today and start changing your life around. Watch the video again and let it resonate with you. I'm telling you, if you're looking for a change, we can go to the moon with this program. We can build it to the moon if you have belief in it. If you have belief in yourself and your ability, but you have to take action. You can watch a video all day, but until you take action, nothing happens. And you take a leap of faith, believe in yourself, believe in the opportunity to succeed. The sky's literally the limit, folks. I'm excited about the program for the next few years to come. Let's get going today. Again, check out the YouTube channel. Find something else that resonates with you, and let's roll. If you have any questions, my information to get a hold of me is below the video, and we'll go from there. Hope you have a wonderful day. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please give it a big thumbs up. I really appreciate it. Bye for now. Until the next video.